Okay, hi. In this video, let us create horse model in Zbrush completely. We'll start from the sphere and to get the final output. Uh, so let us start. Uh, okay, we'll bring the reference image for that. We'll go to the draw menu and before that, you should have the sphere project. So let us create the sphere. Okay, fine. So this is your dynamic sphere. Then we should enable the floor. So to get the image, the front back is there. So you can map one, so you can get the front image. So which one is my front? So you can pick up this one. Okay, fine. So this is front. Then you should snap this, and of course you should front should be on, so it will be transparent. So same thing. You can go to the side and go to the map one and import the side view. Right. So this is also same procedure. So you can just snap it. So it will be snapped to the view, and you can see. So we have everything now. So we have front and we have side. So be sure that the image both are matching to each other. So that way you can plan, you can see uh, the size, whether it is matching or not. You can check it out like this. Uh, I think almost it is matching. If not matching, also no problem. You can manage using scale, all those things. Right. So let us start first. If it is not required, then you can scale later stage, like if it is not matching. Let us create a side view first, right? So go to the side. So you can hold it. You can see the side. You can make it on. So now this offset option is there for front. You can offset using offset also. You can move wherever you want, right? And minus 10. So if you want to have movement, all these things, if you remove snap also, then it will go back to the original position because you are looking for now side view, so it will be disturbing. Or you can temporarily you can remove this. Okay. So let us finish the side, then you can snap it and you can bring to the front, then you can do the things. So let's start the side first. Okay. So before you trace the things, so check the your mesh size. Okay, you want to reduce the mesh polygons. Okay, so for that you can have. I think if you start with very low mesh, it will be easy to trace. So you can go to the geometry tab and you can go to the dynamas and right on dynamas you can see 30 mm. So you can go for 16 and control and click outside. So you can see very low mesh right now. Okay, so either click this one on off and on. So you can less the mesh right now. If you want to make 8, just do or drag the screen, and you can see the just click this something you can click and do this, and I can see the. I think this is the minimum we have, right? So that's all we have the dynamis. So this is the minimum we have. I think we can start using this. Then required, then you can add more polygons, then you can do the things. So for that, you can go to the interface layout. You can use this bottom. You can bring the using the interface layout, and this layout it will be necessary tools we'll have, which we'll be using. So more tool you can pick up. First, you before that you can scale it and get the size what you're looking, and you can see the front view also same time. Okay, so I think if you scale proportionally in all direction, I think that will automatically get the front. So and you can scale in this way also, so you'll get the completely body with the neck, all those things. So we have enough things. So now what you can do, you can go to the draw mode and use this move tool, right? And before that, you should be very careful you are using X mode or not. Okay. So be sure that you are in symmetrical X. If you press symmetrically on, so you can see symmetrically on right now. Okay, fine. It's very easy if you understand the tools. So then let's make the big brush. Okay. Brush it, hold S and make the big brush size. Then you try to um, Yes, that's fine. So try to match as much as possible according to the image. So that's the if you have image, then it will be very easy to trace. So if you don't know or don't have image, so maybe you'll be struggling to what is the anatomy proportion. So now see, the side view is done almost, right? So that's all. So check it up in floor level. You can make it off, and you see how it looks. So it looks very bad. Okay, no problem. So you can smooth it again, and so first you give the control, and again you make it your geometry properly. You just use dynamics enable and disable. So you can do like this: control and right click or your shape will happen correctly. Okay. So now again you can floor level make it on, and sit and make the side view, and you see so it is keep changing. So I suggest you should have go to the draw mode and bring that, and please check it out your snap is on or not. Okay, so if this is not on, then issue will come. Okay, right. So when you go to the um, side view or something, or when you're inside and check it out, this is on or not. So that's why when you are seeing the position is changed, so I suggest please go for the snapping on, right? Other keep on. Now you see it is not changing, right? So no issues. So you can fix it. So go for the again you scale, and then you move it and fix it. No problem. That's all. Done. So now you can see it is not changing. Okay, so that's very important actually snapping on the tool. So now again you can go to the draw mode and move tool, and you can change the things. That's all. So basic shape is done. So again, you floor level, you can make it off, and you can see your basic stage is done. Okay. Then you can go to the top view and you make the top view shape. So so how your top view look, you can take some reference image, and how it looks. You can see just most of the size I have knowledge. So you check your reference image, how it looks. Okay. So you can accordingly make it. So make bigger little brush size, and it'll be easy to do the exact shape. So so this is the back side, you can see, and this is and here the depth will be there. Again, stomach comes, again front leg comes here, and again neck will come here, right? So that's what your front view looks. So you have to get the overall shape like this. I feel overall you can scale like this also, very fine. Then you can see proportionally length to width, it will look correct, right? So that's all about the top view and side view, right? So mm, it's very low. You can see very low. So let us leave like that. Again, you can make it floor level and make it on, right? So now it's fine. So let us create other part. So say head. Okay. So head you can either you can make one more shape you can generate. That will be easy. Same thing. Even tail you can create, and leg curls you can create separately. So you can make one more append to it for head. Okay, fine. So go to the tools, subtools, right? So subtools, you can go and you can append, right? So append, and you can take another sphere, right? And you can move further, right? Sorry. So you have to go select the sphere, that layer, and again, suggest you give very minimum dynamics, like say 32 or 16 is fine. Okay, it's very low mess you can set. So it'll be easy, or you can go still further, you can go 8 also. So this will be easy to trace, right? That I can say. So you can go to the again scale mode, and we can get the head there, right? So I can make it rotate like this, okay, and scale it further like this. Lower you can scale, right? Yes. So yes, fine. Yes, done. So this is the another sphere you took, and now again you can go to the draw mode. You can use the move tool. Again, it's very low poly, so no issues. So so you can get the you can trace it how it looks. So so give the just how it looks. So really, so okay, fine. So just you are giving the very basic shape. primitive says. Just get the form of the volume of the house, and you check it up again in other views. So you have to check like this, and so you see it looks very bad. So you can get the shape. So you can remove this, and you can uh, have X mode, like a symmetrical mode, and you see how it looks. So this area will be very narrow. So control click like this. So it is very low. You can see we are in very low mesh. So it will be easy to get the shape if we have very low. Otherwise, you'll be struggling, right? So that's fine. So you see, that's all. Okay. So you got the head and check it up again, floor level, and just check whether it's matching or not. Keep in the middle, and you see whether the reference is fine or not. So now just use move tool, and I think almost fine, right? So you need not think about that. Okay, fine. So now let us create the leg part. So same thing, you have to add the append. So one more text here, easy. So again, you scale it. So again, you select this here, and I suggest again you give dynamis. This is a very good choice. So you make it low mesh, geometry, dynamis, and go for say 8 and dynamis. Okay, fine. So now you scale. Okay, fine. So you scale as much possible. What is the width of the things, and give the length. I think too much. Here is fine. So this is the things you can scale in middle left. So overall you can scale. Okay, don't scale in one side. This side, one side you can scale because you need the length. So like that, you can get the things. So now what you have to do again, you got to go to the draw mode and use the move tool, and we will match to the um, reference image. So try to make bigger. It'll be easy to. Nice. Okay, fine. So this one, you have to make correctly with the fine. Okay, done. So you have to go very close and make it small brush and match to this. Right. Okay. So now control, and you see it is very less. So I'll use at least 32 and do like this. So it will have some support. Otherwise, it is not holding that shape. So it depends upon how much you are giving the mesh. So now we can go for like this, and I suggest you can continue till this. I need not create one more. So you can have till this, and control click, and give the shape something like this. Okay. So when later stage you can exactly you can make it when you'll have more mesh. So right now it's fine. So if you want to have little more transparent, you can go to the draw, and you can give feel more threes there. So let us go for one. I think one is not there. Two, no. So let it be three. Okay, three is fine. Okay. So now you can see what is the exact outline. So this is the exact outline. So I think this is fine. So this you can manage. Okay. So this can be go like this. So um, okay, fine. So this is done. So floor level you can check it out. So the position is wrong. You can see. So in front view you have to move further like this. So then you can match that. So now you have to match this way also. So front you see looks very bad. So you have to scale and you make like this first. Okay, then you have to adjust all these things. So draw and get the shape correctly. So now you have to get the shape on this area. So So it should be very thin, not like little very. So maybe to hold that for this shape, you need more. You need more mesh. It is not holding. So you know how it looks that area. You have very less control. If you do like this, okay, fine. Somewhat is getting changing, but again, it will do again. It will come back to the. So what I suggest to give little more mesh after. Maybe it is right now is fine. Later stage we can improve. Fine, fine. So so this area again. You have to go to the again floor, make it on, so you can see, and this is your model. So again go to the select this and move the things, so how it will be shape looks. So your leg will be coming like this. Okay, fine. Okay, so leg is somewhere. Okay, fine. So now I think you can bring towards little front, so that you'll find. So then it will match to this, right? So how your leg looks, it will come on the body, right? But you're not inside the body, it is on the body. So you can see the how it is coming. Later you can match night fine. So this is what your uh, leg part is fine. Then so now overall you can see how it looks. So it is fine. So you have to adjust here also. Because that wheel I see now here this we have to adjust here. So fine. So you have to make like this. Okay, fine. So this also you have to give like this. Okay, fine. Done. So there's a front leg is there. So now slowly you're getting that form. Okay. So now what you can do, you may not create again for back leg. So you can duplicate this, right? So let us duplicate this. So duplicate and you can move and back. Sorry. So you can move for back leg. So again, you can go to the floor level and so this is the back leg. You can adjust like this. So you need not create again. So that's what I say. This is the positions and you can move all those things. So again, go to draw mode and make your bigger brush size move and overall you can move. So maybe still you can further bigger you can make easy to move. Okay, fine. All right. So that's all. So okay. So this is your control click. Okay, fine. All right. So need not create again. So this will be easy to finish fast. So now check it out how it looks overall. Yes, fine. So this looks very bad. This area. So you have to fill this area. Maybe we can use a little bulgy for that. You can make um, this form soft you can use. So you give the little more bulge. So, so you'll have some bulge this area to find. So we'll give the some forms bulge. You can see this nice. So this area I need also some. It looks very thin. Okay, so maybe a little more strength, a little. You can be a little more strength, so it will go for right. So that's good. So you can push it again. This part, right? So So, I can have a little more bulge. So, maybe little more bulge here. Right, so fine. The same thing here is you can give bulge also. Looks very weak, not eaten. So, fine. So, you can push this part a little inside. Then press. Okay. So now, we completed the things. So, we have to merge this all together. So then we can start the further detailing. So now you can mirror this. So how to do the mirror? You can see. So you go to G plugin and subtool master, and you have mirror option. So you can mirror it. X. Okay, this is done. So same thing for this also. So G plugin and mirror. Okay, fine. So this is done. Okay. So all those things. Then finally you can merge all together. Then you can make dynamics, right? So this is done. So all together you can merge. So you can have to it's called merge down. So okay, merge down, okay, merge down, okay. So everything is merged right now. It becomes single now. Now we can go for dynamics and make it single. Right. So we'll go for 30 or 32. Okay, fine. Then you will see everything is done. So we can just smooth it. Yes. So we'll get the same. Fine. Smooth it. Yeah, also you can smooth it. Okay, fine. So like that, we can get the basic shapes. So this looks very, you can give smooth motions. Okay, so we can let it go a little inside. Looks very fine. Okay, so no problem. You can just smooth it. And this part also. Okay, fine. So I think overall you can little scale. So it looks too wide. Why not scale it a little fine? So overall you can scale. Okay. Before scale, I think this head you can maybe you can scale again this way. Okay, fine. So this looks too thin, maybe a little more. Right. This proportion is fine. Right. So same thing, head you can make it a little more bulged. So go to draw mode and control, keep some mask for this. For this, okay, fine. So then inverse the mask and you can scale this part also. So unlock this and bring the viewer point here and again lock it and scale. All right, so fine. This is what we are looking. Right. So now almost you are getting the proportional correct. So control. Okay, fine. So now we can finally again little give smooth force it. Okay, you can now we got the complete. For the tail. Okay, of course you have to do that. First with the depth in this area. The depth. So alt. Sorry. Control. Sorry. Alt. You can press. So it is going somewhere. So you have to use the clay builder. Alt. Okay, so you have to do the depth. So I think you have to make a very small brush, and this area you have to make down. Uh, so you have to make down. No issues. Okay. So smooth. Okay, fine. And you have to give the clay this area, so you can use the clay. So that's fine. So now smooth it little. Okay, so that's what you can do like this, or you can use the move tool, and you can just push it, push it, push it. Okay, fine. So try to get as much possible. All right. So you can pinch, you can use pinch, okay, pinch, P, pinch, so you can just too much, little reduce the intensity. Yes, now somewhat looks better. Okay, so this area looks very, very thin, so you have to give little some, no place. Okay, so bulge is fine, this area. Okay, enough looks better. So of course you have to wherever need you have to get the bulge. So this area I think should go down maybe like this. Yes, this looks fine now. Okay, so that is the vertex part. You can see this area has to go down. I think so. This right. So smooth it and you have to give the flesh this area. So give it a click. Okay, fine. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Now looks better. So like that, slowly you have to just form the things. So now you got somewhat better. So next class we'll see the how to get the next details like tail and other details you have to improve. Slowly you can go step by step. Uh, then your part, mouth part, then you start the things. So hope you understood till this what I did. We'll continue the next video. Thank you.